Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix chest freezer not freezing. So whichever fridge or freezer you are using, you just have to simply follow these steps if it is not freezing as you want. So you just have to simply try these simple methods. First, when it comes to repairing your freezer, these common troubleshooting issues may help you avoid a service call. So what you need to do is to cleaning agent and cleaning clothes, vacuum with the crevice attachment, ice pick or a scraper. So first you need to check the settings control to be sure your appliance is set to the appropriate temperature, and you need to check your appliance control settings. In the second method, you need to clear out the freezer shells, and then you need to clean the condenser coils. Afterwards, you need to eliminate the excess frost built up, and this way you just have to simply uh, try to freeze the water into the freezer and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then you just have to simply keep these things in mind so that you can keep your freezer cold and working properly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.